If you eat avocado every day, what happens to your body? It's a secret the doctor never wants to tell you. Eliminate fat and control blood sugar, because the healthy fats and fiber in avocados will keep you feeling full all the time, while stabilizing blood sugar levels and helping to control appetite. Not only is this food good for your health, it will also make your heart feel good because the healthy fats in avocados help keep your cardiovascular system healthy and lower LDL cholesterol levels, thus reducing your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Your eyes will also benefit from the lutein in avocados, which helps protect against the harmful effects of UV rays and prevent age-related macular degeneration. Over time, the omega-3 fatty acids in avocados help improve memory and concentration by boosting blood circulation to the brain. Cultivating this habit will help support a healthy digestive system and reduce inflammation in the body, thereby reducing the risk of disease. Don't forget to forward this video to your good friends.